the study of geometrically representing ordered pair of numbers. The system of describing the position of a point in a plane or coordinate geometry was initially developed by René Descartes. This system is often called Cartesian system. Cartesian system. A Cartesian coordinate system, also known as rectangular coordinate system, can be used to plot points and graph lines. It is basically a set of two number lines, the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-coordinate is also called the abscissa. The y-coordinate is also called the ordinate. The coordinates are enclosed in brackets, writing the x-coordinate first, followed by y-coordinate. The center or intersection of the two axes is equal to 0, 0. Terms used in Cartesian system. Before going further, let's look at some definitions. A number line is a straight line on which integers are marked as evenly spaced points. Origin. A number line is divided into two symmetrical halves by a fixed point called origin, that is, the number 0. Coordinate plane. It is a two-dimensional plane in which every point is identified with exactly one number and vice versa. It is also known as the xy plane. Coordinate axis. The x and y axis in both positive and negative directions are collectively called coordinate axes. Quadrant. The axis divides the plane into four quadrants. In quadrant 1, x and y are positive. In quadrant 2, x is negative, but y is positive. In quadrant 3, x and y are negative. In quadrant 4, x is positive, but y is negative. Measurement of perpendicular distances of a point from coordinate axes. Let us now learn how to measure the perpendicular distance of a point from the coordinate axes. Measure the perpendicular distance of a point A from x and y axis. Solution. Draw perpendicular AM on the x-axis and AN on the y-axis. We can see that the perpendicular distance of the point A from the y-axis, measured along the positive direction of x-axis, is AN is equal to OM, which is equal to 2 units. And the perpendicular distance of the point A from the x-axis, measured along the positive direction of y-axis, is AM is equal to ON is equal to 3 units. Finding the coordinates. Write down the coordinates of the point A from the following plane. Step 1. X-coordinate of point A is -3. Is its perpendicular distance from y-axis measured along x-axis as shown. Step 2. Y-coordinate of point A is 5. Is its perpendicular distance from x-axis measured along y-axis as shown. Step 3. Now, enclose the coordinates in brackets by writing the x-coordinate first, followed by y-coordinate. Thus, the coordinates of point A are -3, 5. Did you know? Sir Isaac Newton was the first to use negative coordinates in a collection of figures and graphs of polynomials of the third degree. Coordinate geometry was also called as analytical geometry in classical mathematics. That is, the study of geometry using a coordinate system and the principles of algebra and analysis.